Are you in need of new garden equipment? Starting off with this, one of the must-have garden power tools, the Makita DCU is a powerful, versatile, and reliable wheelbarrow. This battery-powered wheelbarrow can handle up to 300 kilograms of load on flat ground and up to 180 kilograms on slopes, making it ideal for transporting soil, plants, tools, and more. You can install up to 4 batteries for a long runtime and switch between them easily with the battery selection switch. The water-resistant design allows you to use the wheelbarrow even in wet conditions, and the warning beeper and the LED taillight alert people around you of your presence. It can work for 100 minutes on a single charge and can reach top speeds of 5 kilometers per hour. However, the price is a bit expensive, coming at $5,600. Moving on, we have some amazing landscaping tools and equipment coming up, so make sure you keep watching. When it comes to gardening, tree pruning and shrub trimming play an important role, and that's why this German tree lopper is a must-have. This locally produced product allows one to cut off live stems and branches cleanly and smoothly without crushing or damaging them. This tree lopper can help you reach higher and deeper into the foliage and cut thicker branches than a regular pruner. This tool can reach a height of up to 5.5 meters from the ground, and its cutting angle is adjustable to 225 degrees. It can cut branches up to 32 millimeters in diameter. It also has an ergonomic non-slip handle and weighs only 3 kilograms. This effective tree lopper will cost you $273. Watering your plants can be daunting. The next tool will ensure you never have to worry about that. Another German technology, this automatic sprinkler will water your lawn and garden with utmost precision and accuracy. Equipped with plenty of advanced features, this sprinkler can cover an area of 213 square meters, with a range of spray from 3 to 18 meters. You can adjust the spray's width, length, and direction to suit your needs. The sprinkler also contains smart features that allow you to control with your smartphone no matter where you are. Its round base allows it to remain stable on the ground. Assembling the entire kit just takes a few steps, and you can also set the range and spray width here. The price of Gardena Zoom Max is $70. Next, we have an impressive drip irrigation technology to help your vegetables grow quickly. Start watering your plants correctly with this effective yet impressive micro-drip system. Another Gardena product, this tool delivers water directly to the roots of your plants through drip heads that can be adjusted to suit your needs. You can use it for various types of plants, such as flowers, vegetables, shrubs, or trees on your balcony, patio, or garden. The Gardena micro-drip saves up to 70% of water compared to conventional watering methods and prevents water loss due to evaporation or runoff. It also makes sure to save water. The system can be easily installed, and all of the products are available on Gardena's website. Anyone who's been gardening for a long time would love the next tool we will show you. Once you're done pruning your trees and watering your plants, you'll also have to take care of the stubborn and hard weeds. The Roam Wild Multi-Digger Weeder is a versatile tool that can handle multiple tasks, such as edging, weeding, root cutting, and clearing. It features a heavy-duty head that can extract weeds from the root level, even in hard-to-reach places. Its unique dual-grip handle gives you much more comfort and power. This ergonomic tool is easy to use and perfectly balanced, thus reducing the strain on your arms and your back. It also features an extra-wide footplate that helps you remove debris from the ground. Our next tool might seem simple, but it will be useful on every farm out there. Installing and maintaining a fence is incredibly important for any farmer, so this simple tool is extremely effective. This can help you tighten or loosen a fence with minimal effort. Its simple ergonomic design lets you grip the wire and twist it to your desired tension. You can use this tool for several tasks, like creating barbed wire fences, creating a fence to protect your livestock, marking plots, or installing a wire trellis for your grape wine farm. This product is available worldwide for as low as $4 per piece. The country of Iceland contains no mosquitoes, but if you live anywhere else, you should definitely get this product to save yourself from those pesky pests. This patented and ingenious mosquito trap protects you and your family from mosquitoes. This technology imitates the breath and skin scent of a real human, and that helps in luring the mosquitoes into the trap. The trap lures the mosquitoes and captures them with a ventilator before they can reach you. The BG-Mosquitaire is easy to use, eco-friendly, and highly effective. It does not use insecticides or harmful chemicals, or catch beneficial insects such as butterflies, bees, or ladybugs. It can cover an impressive area of up to 600 square meters, and the only thing you should ensure is that it's put in a convenient location away from the winds. The price of this efficient mosquito trap is $200. Next up, we have another smart and simple solution to water your plants and take care of them. This smart water timer lets you set up 2 irrigation schedules simultaneously for 2 time zones. There are a total of 13 preset watering schedules available on the timer, ranging from 5 minutes to 60 minutes and up to 12 times each day. In addition, the timer may be programmed to water your plants automatically every day of the week. The clock, program settings, and battery life are clearly shown on the large LCD screen. It's a compact device and only requires 2 AA batteries to operate. Plus, it has a low power indication that notifies you when new batteries are needed. All this is available for just $44. Later, we have a much more impressive smart tool that automatically alerts you about your plants. This is another ingenious tool that helps you convert your kitchen and garden waste into compost for your garden. The drum has a capacity of 100 liters, and it can convert your waste into compost in 6 to 8 weeks. All you have to do is just rotate the drum once or twice every week. This composter is eco-friendly and efficient. It doesn't use any electricity or chemicals, and it also has a unique feature: a special collection container that collects the nutrient-rich liquid that's released during composting. This liquid can be easily collected in a house and used as a natural fertilizer for your plants. You can get this eco-friendly composter for just $150. We are down to the top 5 gardening tools on our list today, and we still have some amazing stuff to come. This innovative pot redefines the concept of plant containers, as gardening has now become much more environmentally friendly. It's a biodegradable container for starting seeds that contain plant nourishment released slowly over time, resulting in stronger, healthier plants. The pot decomposes naturally over time, nourishing the roots of the plants. Ventilation and drainage holes are at the bottom of the container to keep the roots healthy. To operate this pot, all you have to do is just simply add soil, sow seeds, water, and see your self-eco-pot's results. You also need no additional fertilizer and compost, but only water to help grow your plants. You can buy some of these pots today, as a packet of 2 comes for $15. Are you scared of pests or rodents destroying your crops or plants? Well, the next tool is definitely a must-have for you. The Gopher Hawk is a game changer in killing small moles and rodents. All you have to do is find the burrow opening, insert the wedge, and probe it into the tunnel, setting up the trap. The color will appear, indicating that the trap has been set up. This trap is incredibly effective and has no chance of failing, as a rodent entering from any direction would be instantly taken care of. This professional-grade stainless steel tool comes at a modest price of $39. As we're down to the top 3 gardening tools, we still have amazing robot technology coming up. Another smart technology is this gadget solar-powered device that you can insert into the soil near your plants. It measures the soil moisture, nutrition, temperature, humidity, and light levels, and sends this information to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. You don't only get this data, but the app also sends you specific recommendations for your plants. The Eden app also alerts you when your plants need water, fertilizer, or more sunlight, and helps you discover new plants that are suitable for your garden. It's easy to use and has a long-lasting battery that requires no maintenance. You can get this incredible piece of tech at just $120. This amazing garden robot can do several tasks for you over the year. It can cut grass according to your desired level and can clear away the leaves thanks to its powerful airflow of 192 kilometers per hour. When it turns cold, this robot can also clear the snow and throw it 12 meters away. The Yarbo is autonomous, efficient, eco-friendly, and has a built-in GPS and sensors to navigate your yard safely and accurately. A rechargeable battery powers it, and it has a long-lasting battery time of up to 2 hours. It can be operated easily. You only have to draw the area on your phone, and the robot will do the task most efficiently. An entire set will cost you $3,400. Right at the top, this portable mist fan is a must-have for anyone out there. If you love outdoor camping or want to cool yourself at the beach, then this portable mist fan is the one to have. It blows cool, misty air at an area of up to 50 square meters, making it suitable for outdoor cafes as well. Once fully charged, the fan offers 60 hours of life, and it doesn't make any sound like the conventional fans do. With an airflow of up to 32 kilometers per hour, this is the most powerful outdoor fan on the market. Moreover, its durable wheels and ergonomic handle allow it to be carried away easily, and you can take it to any outdoor activity you wish. You can get this wonderful fan for $279.